So I'm out here, it's getting ready to install this brush guard. It's meant for a 3rd gen, so it doesn't fit. Pulled the bumper off. The 3rd gen, it's got those tow hooks coming right off the frame, I believe. This is where my frame is, and it's gonna mount right over here. So I gotta do some work over here so I can make a solid mounting point. Alright, I got the bumper off. I'm gonna order a new one of these fascias because it's supposed to be gray, and I painted it black like 10 years ago. So then I'm gonna scrape all this black off the bumper, return to chrome, and then I'll weld on some new stiffeners for the mounting point. Using a paint removal disc on the grinder, getting rid of this bed liner. And I cut these slots right here to fit the 1/4 inch bracket I'm making, and this is a rough mock-up. Went ahead and drilled some holes, shaped the metal, tacked it into place, put the bumper on to see how it fits. Pretty centered up. I'm going to take my rough prototype and throw it on the CAD program. And cutting it out of 1/4 inch steel here. Nice beefy brackets. Got the bottom hole slotted so I can change the angle. It'll be able to change the angle on the bracket and on those black brackets right there. So I'll be able to get it just how I like it. Here's another rough mock-up of how it's going to look. I think I like it a lot. Fitment looks good, so I think it's time to get ready for welding. Got them all nice and welded up. They are beefy in there. I was going to return the chrome, but after sanding it down and getting it all ready, it looks like I took a grinding wheel a long time ago to prep the metal for bed liner. So just spraying it black again. Looks pretty good. Got the bumper back on the truck. Got it adjusted nicely. I'll throw this piece of plastic back on. The fitment of this is pretty sweet. Fascia piece in their front bumper. They'll come folded in half. Oh no, in half! Alright. Now what you do, just go throw it in the sun or in front of the heater for a few hours. And then that will straighten out. And throwing this fascia piece back on. I think this brush guard matches or lines up pretty dang well with this 2nd gen front bumper. It looks sweet. It's a little strange driving down the road and seeing this bar stick up above my hood, but it is pretty good looking. What do you guys think? Let me know. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.